Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your battery percentage is not showing on your POCO F8 Ultra. So, at first what I do recommend is to have your phone unlocked, of course. And the first thing we are gonna do is to focus that the battery percentage over here. And if you don't see it here, at first I think it's that you have it disabled. So open that and scroll down to the notifications and status bar. Tap it, and here tap battery indicator. You do have it disabled. You just have it graphical. Tap either this second one, percentage is index icon, or also the icon on the next to it, like on the right. Have these two enabled. But if you still don't see it and you just have this blank, the thing you can do is to at first click the power and volume up and move this white circle to the down, just reboot your device. Sometimes it's just bugged, so don't worry, it's just easy to fix it, so it's nothing to worry about. And even though it's not fixed after the restart, there is one way that we can fix it. As you can see now, it's unlocked. Turn on, now it's unlocked. And now when it's unlocked, we can go straight to the Play Store if you don't see your battery still. Tap here, tap the search bar, and just type the battery widget. Search and see, as you can see, material widget, emoji battery status bar, battery widget reborn. Just select the most only one. For example, this application has 5 million downloads. Tap install, tap open, tap manage options. Here you can just disable all these things. I'll tap confirm choices, and here we can start automatically. Here tap add widget. Here, as you can see, pick the widget from list. We can tap this one, tap allow, and now we should see this widget on the screen. It's here, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.